Welcome to the Essity Tork booth at the 2023 Cleaning Festival and Rockstar Talks. We are Essity, manufacturer of the Tork brand, which is the #1 professional hygiene brand in the world. And we are dedicated to improving well-being through leading hygiene and health solutions. At Essity, our mission is to sustainably develop and produce products and services to improve hygiene and health. As you move forward in this time of heightened standards, know that Essity has a variety of washroom solutions to help your facility improve hygiene, enhance image, reduce usage and waste, and protect the environment. From February to April 2023, Tork will be participating in the Gem Cleaning Festival. We look forward to meeting you. We have exciting products to show you, including our award-winning PeakServe continuous hand towel system and our new line of EverWipe cleaning and disinfecting wipes. We will have show-only specials, so be sure to register now at cleaningfestival.com, and we look forward to seeing you.